Hi, this is Tom Curtis. I'm going to be singing the Magnet song from the Exploration Forceful Magnets. It has a kind of a calypso beat, so it should be kind of fun. Here we go. Mysterious force comes over me. You've got that magnetic personality. Pull and push, attract, repel. You've got me under your magnetic spell. Butterfly held in the air as if by magic, dancing calypso when she's free. Cobalt, nickel, iron, or steel are attracted by this force we cannot see. A magnetic field surrounds the earth, protecting us from cosmic rays and solar bursts, creating poles both south and north, where intrepid voyagers have sallied forth. Butterfly held in the air as if by magic, dancing calypso when she's free. Cobalt, nickel, iron, or steel are attracted by this force we cannot see. North to north, south to south, they repel each other like a cat and mouse. N to S and S to N, opposites attract again and again. Butterfly held in the air as if by magic, dancing calypso when she's free. Cobalt, nickel, iron, or steel are attracted by this force we cannot see. Magnetic pendulums swing to and fro, and you can change the way that they go. Place four magnets in a square, make the pendulums dance in the air. Butterfly held in the air as if by magic, dancing calypso when she's free. Cobalt, nickel, iron, or steel are attracted by this force we cannot see. Butterfly held in the air as if by magic, dancing calypso when she's free. Cobalt, nickel, iron, or steel are attracted by this force we cannot see. By this force we cannot see.